Florence posted proudly, showing healing skin. Said, yeah, I've got mange, but beauty starts within. She wagged her tail and hit send with pride, but a shadow flag dropped down on her side. Her post went dim, hidden from the feed, as if her mange was something no one should see. Content restricted, like she'd done something wrong. All she wanted was to share her journey all along. She's healing, she's hopeful, she just wants a voice. No dog with mange should face a censored choice. Florence was censored on X for a bit of mange. Tell me, how is that not totally strange? Mange sufferers unite, we rise and ignite. We're reclaiming our bark, reclaiming our bite. No censorship of fur or skin. Let every dog's voice shine again. She found a secret circle full of pups like her. Dogs with itchy patches, scruffy, soft, or bare. They said, Florence girl, it's bigger than